Welcome. If you want to enable notification sounds for when a user leaves a voice channel on Discord using the web version on your PC, you're in the right place. With Discord's latest update, customizing your notification sounds is easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you never miss when someone leaves your chat. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Discord's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open your user settings. Now that you're in the user settings menu, take a look at the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Under this section, you'll see an option called Notifications. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll find a variety of options to personalize how Discord alerts you. Scroll down until you reach the Sounds section. Here, you'll see a list of different notification sounds you can toggle on or off. Look for the option labeled User Leave. This setting controls whether you hear a sound when someone leaves a voice channel you're in. To enable this notification, simply click the toggle next to User Leave so it turns on. That's it. From now on, whenever someone leaves a voice channel, you'll hear a notification sound, helping you stay aware of who's in your calls without having to constantly check the screen. Customizing your notification sounds can make your Discord experience smoother and more enjoyable, especially if you're active in busy servers or gaming sessions. If you want to adjust other notification sounds, feel free to explore the rest of the options in the Sounds section. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of Discord. See you next time.